Got another fidget spinner for you. I don't really know how to pronounce that word. I think it's Cshidworld, but it's however it is. That's what that is. Sort of focus up to 5-minute spin times. Nice foam packaging to keep it in. Side. There we go. There's a spinner. It's very light. It's it's anodized aluminum. Nice even edges, smooth. It's got nice grooves in it. Nice even grooves along these edges right here. And then the openings on the inside. It's got indexed good flickability with it since it's very light. Go. Concave finger buttons. Shit. First, take the buttons off. And this is a stainless steel titanium bearing on the inside. It's very small due to the size of the spinner. You can see it better there. Put the caps back on. Now, out of the packaging, I got around 3 to 4 minute spin time. You have very good easy balance ability with it. Nice good flick where your fingers can rest on here, on these edges, like right there. If you want to flick it the other way, go the other way. Either way it works. See, very easy balance ability. It's very nice. It's very light. Go. Yeah. They do make a copper one and a stainless steel one, which this one is light, so it's not going to get the highest spin time. And yeah, it's got a pretty cool design of it that spins due to the grooves right here.